Good morning, friends. Today is May 12th, 2021. Please write the date and number corner at the top of your paper. Press pause if you need more time to do that. Next to number 1, we are going to look at the calendar card, and you are going to copy the card. Then you're going to write the number that Tad will land on. Hey friends, here is today's card. Please write 35, down arrow, down arrow, down arrow, right arrow. So 35, down, 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 right. So if Tad starts on 35 and he makes 3 hops straight down on the hundreds chart and then 1 hop to the right, what number will he land on? Press pause if you need more time to do that. Alrighty friends, we are moving on to number 2. Today you are going to draw a coin collection that has a value of 92 cents. Write an equation to match the collection. Press pause if you need more time for number 2. We've now been at school for 142 days. Please represent the number 142. You're going to represent 142 with an addition equation, subtraction equation, coins that have a value of $1.42, and the 100 block, 10 sticks, and 1 blocks. Press pause if you need more time for number 3. All right, we are moving on to number 4. For number 4, you are going to put these numbers in order from least to greatest. Here are the numbers: 63, 56, 68, 76, 68, and 67. Please write these numbers from least to greatest. Press pause if you need more time. And number 5, again, there's a lot of parts to this, so please follow along. Draw a graph for the following information. We polled a group of kids about their favorite ice cream flavor. 7 friends chose chocolate. 3 friends chose strawberry. 6 friends chose vanilla. And 4 friends chose cookie dough. Your first job is to make the graph. We polled a group of kids about their favorite ice cream flavor. 7 friends chose chocolate, 3 friends chose strawberry, 6 friends chose vanilla, and 4 friends chose cookie dough. All right, press pause if you need more time for the graph. Circle the least favorite ice cream flavor. Circle the least favorite ice cream flavor. Press pause if you need more time to do that. How many friends were polled? How many kids were polled for this data? Press pause if you need more time. Alrighty friends, happy Wednesday. I hope you have a fabulous day.